In this video, we are going to learn about the difference between array slice and array splice method. Okay, first we'll explore about array slice. Array slice. So basically, what the array slice will do is it will create a shallow copy of a array. Okay, it will create a shallow copy of the array. Okay, the syntax for the slice is syntax slice. It will accept two argument. Okay, the first one is start index, the second one is end index. Okay, so here that end will not be included. Okay, end will not included. Okay, so we learned the syntax. The third one is it will return copy of the array, copy copy of the array. Okay, so for our understanding purpose, I will create one array for this. Okay, so this is my array. Okay, my array name is called alphabets. It will contain the alphabets up to F. Okay, so I'm going to add log console.log. So it's my parent array, right? So I'm adding string as parent array. Then I am adding my parent array value, so alphabets. So if you click save means it will print this string first, then this value also get printed. Okay, so here you can see my parent array, then my parent array values printed, because for our understanding purpose I am adding this string. Okay, okay, so now we'll explore about the slice concept. Okay, for that I'm adding one console.log. So inside that I'm going to add my slice method, right? So for that I am calling my parent array. So in this array only we are going to add the slice method, right? So basically methods means nothing but it's an inbuilt javascript function. So if you call that function means it will attach to that your parent array, so that function will work. Okay, so if you are not clear on this means you can check my previous video, so you will get understanding. Okay, so this is my parent array, right? So in this array I am going to add my function. So my function is called slice. So this function, right? So parenthesis needed. Okay, I added two parentheses, but I am not giving any argument to this, right? So if I click save, you can see it will give the copy of the whole array. So this parent array entirely copied here. Okay, so because I am not giving any argument here, for example start and end, I am not provided anything here, so it will take a copy of the entire array. Okay, then our parent array also not changed. You can see our parent array not changed. Okay, I hope you understand this. So if we give the start position means, for example 1, so I am giving 1 here. So if I click save, okay, 1 second, I will copy this console so you can understand better. So I added one more console. So here I am adding starting position as 1. Okay, if I click save, you can see B, from the B onwards it's printing. So this is our zeroth index. This is our first index, right? From the first index to end of the array, it's copying. So here you can see from the B to F, it is copied. Okay, I hope you understand this. Now the second one. So we know start index, right? So if we add end index means, for example, 4. It's our starting index. This is our ending index, right? So if I click save, you can see BCD only is printed, because this is our first index, this is our second index, third, fourth, right? Up to 4 it will print. So BCD is printed. We already know the end will not included. So before fourth index it will be printed. I mean 1, 2, 3. So these three index are getting printed here. So you can see here. This one example, if we add negative index means, for example, -1. So if you click save, it will take the element from the end of the array. Okay, so here I added -1, so it is taken the first element in the end of the array. So you can see F is printed. So if I add -3 means it will take last three elements. So F, E, D. So these things are copied. So I hope you understand this. So just understand this, guys. array slice is a copy. That's it. We know, right? Copy and cut copy cut copy functions, right? Similarly, so array slice will do copy function only, so it will not manipulate its parent. So you can take a copy of your array using this array slice method. Now the second one, array splice. Array splice is almost same to the array slice we already saw, right? But the main difference is it remove the element from the parent array and it will create a new array. For example, here in slice, it will not change the parent array, right? So here you can see parent array is always same, but it's copying the element from the array and it will create a new array, right? So but the it is opposite, but the splice is opposite to array slice. Okay, it will change the parent array and it will create a new array. Okay, we'll see this with the same example. So I'm copying this array again. So here I pasted. So I comment this array here. Then we need to add console.log. So I'm copying this console.log and I am commenting this slice code. So this is our array, right? So here I am going to add console.log parent array before slice. Okay, before slice. Then I am copying this console again, parent array after splice. So we can see the difference. Okay, so before what it is and after what it is. Okay, so inside that I'm going to add splice function. So for that I am adding one more console.log. Inside that we can add our splice function. This alphabet is in my array, right? So here I am attaching my splice function. So this function, so I added a parenthesis. So I am not giving any argument inside this, so it will accept two arguments, the start position and a delete count. So if I am not giving any argument, means it will give empty array only, so we need to provide the argument for this. Okay, yeah, so first we'll give one argument. So this is our start index. Okay, so I'm giving only one argument. If I click save, you can see before splice we have a to f, correct? But after splice you can see a only, because this will remove the element from the first index to end of the array. Okay, so from the b to f it is moved from the parent array and it's stored into it splice array. So here you can see from the b to f is removed from the parent array and it will create a new array. Okay, so here you can see b to f is stored in the splice. Okay, so it's removed from the parent array. Okay, I hope you understand this. Now I am going to add second parameter. Second parameter is 4. Okay, second argument, I mean, sorry, the second argument. So I'm added second argument as a 4. Means this is start position. One is start position, then 4 is our delete count. Okay, so this is our first index, right? So this start position, from the start position it will remove the 4 elements. Okay, first 1 2 3 4, these 4 things will remove from the parent array. So you can see a and f only present in the parent array. In between that, from the 1 to 4, from the 1 to 4 element. So this 1 2 3 4, I mean 1 2 3 4, these 4 things are moved into the splice array and the parent array it's removed. Okay, I hope you understand this. Okay, now we'll check with the negative index. Similarly, if I add -1, means I see the last element is removed from the parent array, so f is not there. So before splice you can see the f is there, but after splice you can see f is removed and it is created into the new array. Okay, splice array is stored. Okay, I hope you understand this. But the only one more thing we can do using the splice, we can add the element to the array also. For example, this is my starting position. Second, I need to provide my delete count, right? So I am providing my delete count as a 0. After that, if you want to add anything, means you can provide as a new argument, third argument. Okay, for example, I want to add new element. So for my case, new element is my this is my element I need to add inside this my array. Okay, so if I click save, you can see our first starting position is 1. So this is a starting position, right? After that, delete index is 0, so nothing will be deleted. Okay, nothing will be deleted in the parent array. After that, we are giving the new element, correct? So this new element is added. So I hope you understand this. So this our first position, right? 0 and first index, it is not removed anything, it will add the new element. So this new element is added into our first position. So if I want to delete the first one, after that I want to add this new element means, so this is our starting index, I want to delete the one element, then I want to add this new element means. So you can do like this. So here you can see a is there, but this b is removed, correct? Because we are giving the delete count as a 1. So it's removed, and the new element is added to our parent array, and here you can see b is there because it's deleted. Okay, I hope you understand this. But so for overview, slice is nothing but copying the element from the array. Splice means moving the element from the parent array, so the parent arrays get changed. After that, after using splice, we can add the element to the array. Similar to array push pop, we can add the element to the array. I hope you understand this. If you have any feedback or suggestion, feel free to post it in the comments below so I can learn from it. Thank you.